Hello and welcome to our short film where we're going to show you our curtains. For a grand total of $143.08, we made these block-out curtains on railings. They have magnets in their seams, very handy, and you'll find out why. They're also held back by the stretch wire and they have a split in the middle which allows us to pull them to the sides. Here's our budget breakdown and what we think you'll need. First up is material itself. Thank you so much, Olga, for the block-out material. Secondly is some sewing skills, or more likely a mum that can help you. Thank you, Mum. From Spotlight you can get the block-out material, the Rufflette, mini curtain track slides, steel gather, and then the stretch wire. Although ours was already installed, you can get rails from eBay. These magnets we got off of AliExpress. We put about 2 per pocket just because of the weight of our curtains itself, and we found that to give the most effective seal around the edges. Bunnings is an alternative for the stretch wire, and we also got our pop rivets and washers from them. There are quite a few considerations to make before you even do your shopping. First of which is the material you need. We measured all of our windows and then found out you need way more material and Rufflette than your actual dimensions because of the seams. We also chose to have a seam in the middle of our curtain, which means more material. Shocking. We also went with a flush design, which meant that we don't have any scallops, have less material. Don't forget, measure twice, cut once. Then you have block out versus non-block out. We preferred the block out. There's a couple rail designs Alice points out rather than the down design. Business in the front, party in the back. We went for a divider in the middle so we have more privacy. Some cons of our curtains is our Rufflette type. This is what you want. The gather actually goes through the material, while this one we bought in a pinch and the gather goes through string, which makes it a lot weaker and it starts sagging over time. We also have 2 different gathers. The plastic ones are a lot weaker, meanwhile the metal ones are stronger, but you can't use both on the same curtain because it makes the curtain hang at different heights. Being blockouts mean they're wide at the back. They can get dirty quite quickly. And in hindsight, we would have liked to adjust our magnet positioning. Some pros of our design is it keeps the light out. The sealing effect of the magnets and the blockouts, mwah! Our curtains move very easily thanks to our railings, and these little guys keep it out of the way while also doubling as a washing line.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this short film, and if you have any questions about our curtains, leave them in the comments below. Or if you really liked it, give it a like. Here's the result from inside the van. It was quite dark, so we had to put some lights on, and the result from outside in.